Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 12. This works on any models for the iPhone 12. But before we get into the video, I have a giveaway for an iPhone 11. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. The giveaway winner will be announced once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So the faster I hit that, the faster one of you will win the iPhone 11. So spread the word and get more people to subscribe for a better chance to win the iPhone 11. I hope one of you guys win it. And let's get right back into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns off. And once your phone completely turns off and the Apple logo pops up, then you can release your finger. If you guys need any other assistance on any other iPhone videos or anything Apple related, just shoot me a message. I'm always willing to help people out. You can message me on Instagram or you could comment down below. And if this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video because that helps me out so much. And there you guys go. Your iPhone 12 has been soft resetted.